In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable screen sharing on Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where this setting lives in your Zoom account and how to switch it on so you and your participants can share content smoothly in meetings. Start by signing into your Zoom account in a web browser. This process is done on the Zoom web portal, not inside the desktop app. Once you're signed in, look to the left panel and click My Account. This takes you to your personal dashboard, where all your account-level preferences are managed. Next, open Settings. You'll find it in the navigation menu. Settings is where Zoom groups all the options that affect how your meetings behave, so it's the best place to control features like screen sharing. Inside Settings, go to the Meeting section. This narrows the view to configurations that apply specifically to meetings rather than things like recordings or notifications, keeping us focused on the right area. Within Meeting, choose In Meeting. Basic. Zoom divides meeting options into basic and advanced categories. Screen sharing sits in the basic group, so that's where we need to be. If you don't see it right away, scroll slowly. There are quite a few options in this list. Now look for the Screen Sharing section. Here you'll see the main control that determines whether sharing is allowed in your meetings. You may also notice related notes that explain how this affects hosts and participants. Take a moment to read the description so you understand what enabling it will do across your account. Turn it on by toggling the switch to the On position. When it's on, Zoom allows the feature in your meetings. If the switch is gray or unresponsive, the setting might be locked by an administrator at the account or group level. In that case, you'll need to ask your admin to enable it for you. When prompted, click Enable to confirm. This confirmation makes the change active. You typically don't need to save anything else. Zoom applies it immediately. For best results, fully close and reopen any scheduled meetings after making changes so the setting is consistently applied. That's all there is to it. You signed in, opened My Account, went into Settings, navigated to Meeting, selected In Meeting, Basic, found the screen sharing option, turned it on, and confirmed Enable. From now on, your meetings will allow screen sharing according to your account's preferences, and you can use in-meeting controls to manage who can share during a live session. If you ever need to revisit this, return to the same spot in Settings and adjust as needed.